This is just a short lesson on addition, on adding. One thing that's really important to always remember when you're adding is that when you add up the numbers, they can be in any order. It doesn't matter what order you write them in. When you add them all up, it's always going to come out to the same answer. If I add this up, I'm going to add it up right now. You won't have to do any work at all. I'm going to tell you right now at 17, 20, 20, that the answer 8 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5 is 25. Okay? The answer is 25. So, that means that if these two problems are the exact same numbers, even though they look different because they're written in a different order, my answer is still going to be the same. It's still going to be 25. So let's find out if the numbers are the same real quick. And if they are, we know the answer is going to be 25. So, we've got a 5. Yeah, we've got a 5. There's a 5. We've got a 3. There's a 3. We've got a 9. And we've got an 8. So they're all the same numbers, right? They're just in a different order. So that means our answer is the same. It's still 25. And if you're not sure, if you don't believe me, we could always add them up right now, one by one, and find out. So we already know this is 25 because I said so, and you're taking my word for it. But let's add this up. We know 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. And 17 plus 8 is 25. Now, let's go to the next one. Again, we're going to see if all the answers are the same. And again, if you don't believe me, we can add it up one by one to make sure that it's right. So, we've got a 9. There's the 9. We've got a 5. There's the 5. We've got a 3. And we got an 8. So we have all the same four numbers, which means our answer is the same. It's still 25. Again, you don't believe me? Let's do the math. 9 plus 5, 14. Okay? 14 plus 8 is 22. Let's not write it like that. So we know 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 8, you can count on your fingers if you want. I'll do it with you. We know that we're at 14. 9 plus 5 is 14, okay? 14 plus 8, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And now we're at 22, and we're going to add 3 more. So we're at 22 plus 3, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25. So remember, when you're adding, and only when you're adding, this does not work. I repeat, this does not work for subtracting. This does not work for minus problems. This only works for adding problems. When you are adding, it does not matter what order the numbers are written in. If they're all the same numbers and they're flipped around, the answer is still going to be the same. It's just like 4 plus 1 is 5, and 1 plus 4 is also 5. Okay, that's it for now.